Everyday life in the Soviet Union, the Solving Runner Road. The author Heather Smith was head of the New York Times office in the museum from 971 to 174. The following is in the extract from Mr. Smith's books The Russians, which was published in the 176 by Quanders, the New York Times Book Company. 1. I had heard about consumer shortages before going to Moscow, but only when we began to shop. 3. Did the Russian consumers' problem really have meaning for me? Consumer the world over wait in the lines, but Soviet line have the special quality all tire on. Typically, the Soviet woman spent 2 hours a day in the line, 7 days a week. Personality in half now of the people who stood in the line 19 minutes to buy 4 pineapples and the 3 haver horse to buy 3 leggers hot of the kangaroo, only to find 2 kangaroos were gone and they apartment the front of the line. Lines can run from a forward year to largely at the mill. Some friends of course venture and lane of people in Moscow signing of the by runs. The line lasted 2 days and night and ran for across all talk and the apartment development. 2. In the speed of the optics, the natural release of the Russian woman when she sees the line forming into get in it immediately, even before the know what is being sold over Soviet land or more food that they suffer in most courses. For example, covers most start in not 1 but 3 lines for any forces that freeze to Scarlet and for us and the find of its friends the second to pay cancer somewhere else in the store and get the respects and the third to go pick up the purse and thrown in the rack by 3. But in dairy store one morning in loud or the game in but simple and more complex than that. What in the by some shells better and bowling suggests which were in their safest development as with its own line lines. 4. Range 20 talk in the notice the experiment compared where spin the fright style. They know almost if most con to they with the children to they cancel for their events after study friends in that too. The I want to please line the legends probably 20 people to get the war over with sprites and with in lines that a minute when the woman in proud of me, asking me to hold her face. She darted up the butter and milk line. The Jessie light was morning so slowly that they got her butter and milk and nut. Before we had advanced 3 feet, a distance to take a rest too, and I got back with my butter while the Charles line was still easy alone. 5. When in the story occurred to that all over the store, people were getting into line, holding place, laying farming. Everyone was using the chase line as home base. The West Day it was barely moving. It kept expanding in the miles. So I got the main head keep keep mana sih morning band had me to help place in the one of Rabbi Burgona. Once again, in work it took me 2022 minutes to buy better chickens and chilies, but instead of begin better fruits in fell and if I had between the system. Number 6, the complete solving gives and the atmosphere of things on the Russian life. People bring in the store and bought into eggs, order with face set in the combative expansions. You have to enter that, said a kid gray-haired person, the poor along with hand. We can remember shopping has been a struggle life in the world. 7. 3. In hardly any everything to help shopping. Americans complain about the constant compliance in the United sentence, but they might record in they were exposed to the consumer be blackout in the Russia. The typical Soviet it might be if you want to live to a rare old age and be beautiful, more strong and thoughtful drink tea. Most news models tongue on the thoughtful drink tea. Most news papers public with hot and the sober has no handly yellow figure of a daily newspaper, supermarket or department store and help her dance with the two shop. Egg, Burberry and the Winterford Low fine $18 to $20 monthly. Sellers take of protection of the active items and sell them scarcely to regular customers who have enjoyed life in the beer in the advance or can be concert on to 5 high price on the daily 10 to 15 rubles on the 16 rubles record in the standards in 109.76 the rubles with equivalent to $132 So common in the reckons that the Soviet friends in the always complain about it, but it doesn't do any good. Revealed that Soviet Humber migrants on Soviet and development through store employer from some newly arriving items. Their consumer in the land her good development 500 imported women's furrows have been recovered 400 and 50 of them have been begot by store exterior 49 are under the counter and have been ordered in the event for friends on force in the display window, which invited you to visit the leather department to buy these purse.